Oh yeah, next time on Commodore Productions. Stay tuned.
Admiral Shepard, is that you?
It is not.
It's hard to see. Your transmission is very fuzzy. I told that damn engineer to fix this damn monitor. What is wrong with that engineer? When I get a chance, I'm going to get his agonizer and put him in the booth.
That sounds most uncomfortable. However, I am not Admiral Shepard.
What's your name again?
My name is Sakir. I'm from Vulcan.
What's your name again?
I just said, sir, I'm a Vulcan. You do have a short term.
What species are you?
I'm a Vulcan.
Oh, great. I got a frackin' Vulcan. I hate Vulcans! I hate them! Because they destroyed my plans to take over the other universe. I was gonna be the Commodore! But unfortunately, I got defeated.
That is most unfortunate that you dislike Vulcans the way that you do. Obviously, sir, your plans were not very well thought out since you did not take over my universe.
I want Admiral Shepard. Admiral Shepard has seen the communiques from Bullshank. I have their offices bugged. I have a long range transmission from one universe to the next, so I know what's going on over there.
That would explain a great many things, sir, since you have our communications bugged.
I want to destroy Boone. I want him to croak, die, be done with it.
The odds of you destroying Commodore Boone are highly improbable, sir.
That's why I shaved my beard, to make it look like his.
No, sir, you did not. And to quote a human saying, that's what you get for thinking, sir.
But if anybody else is available, I guess I'll take him. But, dang! Frack. What am I going to do? I thought I had Admiral Shepard in my trap beam. But I guess not. Well, Vulcan, maybe I shouldn't do this. Maybe I shouldn't send you back. Because I know the information you learn here, you will tell them what's going on. So we developed something that I'm going to take as there's going to be a blue beam over your head in a few seconds. And it's going to erase your memory of this event. There.
You may try. I fail to see how a beam is going to erase my memory.
According to the readouts, it worked.
Fascinating.
Beaming you back to where you belong. Never come back here again, Vulcan!
Fascinating.
Who asked you, Vulcan? Oh, come on, you piece of fucking shit. Alright, do that part over there.
Take two for you, Jim. You got all Vulcan going crazy over here because I ain't looking at the camera. All right, let's start your video.
I want to destroy. Boom! If possible. Or take someone that. Man, when I get excited, I start coughing. Woo!
Red alert, 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 red alert.
Blooper, Jim, your phone went off. Ha, ha. That is most unfortunate that you scratch it. That almost hurts worse than a uniform does.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Commodore Productions.